DJ Shine, it's the game,
the HARVEY
homie.
kid, the HARVEY kid. I'm breaking these bitches their hearts again.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Teron Kid Fresh, and I'm back with another reaction video for y'all, man. But hold on, before we get to that, I want to talk to y'all a little bit, man. I know all of us in Houston, you know, we got that hurricane coming or whatever in a couple of hours or whatever. But that don't stop the grind, bro. It don't. I'm sorry, it don't, man. My last video just got like, what, 3,000 views? That video blew up, bro. Y'all, if y'all ain't seen that video, make sure y'all go watch that video. I'm gonna probably leave the link in the description or something. But man, yeah, that was crazy, bro. That was a real nice moment to share. But now I'm moving on now from that. So yeah, man. So basically, yeah, if y'all don't know me, I'm like a huge Lil Yachty fan. Like Lil Yachty, that's my dude, bro. Like that is my dude. Like Lil Yachty, that's my favorite rapper, bro. And y'all should know that by now. But this man DDG diss him, so I'm gonna react to this, man. I ain't heard it yet, so like if it's nice, man, then we just see what's up. But I ain't heard this stuff yet, man. But anyways, man, hold on, get this out the way for y'all. Alright, but anyways, man, let's get right to the video.
SKT, DDG, that's always.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan to me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
Fuck yeah.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm buzzing. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fans, take a nigga bass. You don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley. Your album, sorry. Bitch, I'm gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies are my cardies. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks. You only poppin' because Sensei lay Fox. You don't know me, why you boosting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego. 10 for album, but you know it should be free though. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan to me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see. I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fans, take a nigga bass.
That's what I'm gonna do.
You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Fuck yeah. You already know. Why? Oh my god. Bro, we gotta do something about that, Yachty. You listening to me, bro? 10 times out of 10 you not. But man, that was hot. I can't even lie, man. That shit was kind of. But I'm still gonna take Yachty's side. I ain't gonna lie. You might catch me down the street. Boom.
Harley. Your album, sorry.
Might catch me down there listening to that one time, but nah, bro. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video, man. I'm not gonna ever stop grinding for y'all, bro. I put my time into this, so I'm just gonna keep going and see where I can go, bro. Really. But yeah, man. this is probably one of the last times you see me like in this little setup right here, because we are gonna be this is my dad's house, and I am gonna be moving. We is gonna be moving out this house, and we're gonna be living somewhere else. So it's gonna be a minute where y'all like see me in the setup. So yeah, that pretty much wraps that up, man. But anyways, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, bro, and comment down below what y'all think about this little diss DDG had, man. It was hot. I can't even lie. I want to say something bad, but I was booming in that mud, bro. That's crazy. But anyways, man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, man. I'm gonna keep coming at y'all with these little reaction videos, bro. Anything y'all want, man. Just hit me up in the comment section, or just hit me up like on Snap or something. Like, hit me up, bro. Like, give me some ideas, bro, cause I do this for y'all, really. But anyways, man, that's gonna wrap it up, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna keep saying that. It ain't gonna stop, bro. But yeah, man, and I'm out, bro.